Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the pollen filter on a Dacia Duster 2. For this operation, get hold of the Cabin Heaper Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, unscrew the holding screw. Finish unscrewing by hand. Move the carpet. Remove the cover. Then remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin Heaper Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the cover back on. Screw the retaining screw back in. Put the carpet back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.